Welcome back to my video, guys. Welcome back. How is it going so far? Today I'm going to make some drops, coconut drops. Let me know if you know coconut drops. It's made with coconut and ginger and sugar. Alright, so I have my water here boiling. So I have my coconuts. I cut the coconuts up. Alright, so next time I'm going to show you how I cut it out. You just cut it up, dig it out, and cut it up like this. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I boil some drops today. Alright, and also I have my ginger. I'm going to blend my ginger and throw it in it also. Alright, so watch the process as I go. So I already washed and everything, so I'm going to put it here. Alright, not a lot. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. Alright. See, I'm gonna let it stay there and boil maybe for, normally they boil it like an hour or so. Earlier days they boil it like for a couple hours well, but today's we just boil it short. Okay, so I'm going to let it stay there and boil. Okay, so watch the process as I go. I'm going to blend out the ginger, or you can grate the ginger and put it on it, and when it boils down you put your sugar in it. Okay, so watch the process as I go. So guys, this is the ginger. I'm going to guys, I'm going to strain it off. You can see I don't strain it, I just put it in just like it is, see? And some people they just beat the ginger and drop it in, but what I do, I just put it in like this. Alright, so you're going to stay there and boil maybe for an hour or so or less, depends on how you want it. But as they say, coconut never boiled, never cook. So you just boil it to whatever time you know how long you think it's boiled. So I'm going to let it stay there like for an hour or so. Let it stay there and boil. So watch the process as I go. So as it's going to boil down now, I put the sugar in. Okay guys, so watch the process. This is how I make my coconut drops. Alright, take care. You can just stir it up like this. You can see the ginger, the yellow ginger. So just watch the process as I go, and thank you again for subscribing to my videos, my family, my friends, strangers, everyone who subscribed to my videos. Thanks again. Blessing upon your life. Alright, just watch the process as I go. I love you guys, I love you, you are my family. Alright, this is coconut drops. You can see guys, I'm going to put the sugar in now. Alright, so the sugar is going to turn into liquid. I'm going to put too much sugar, so you can let it stay there for boil for an hour and an hour and a half. You can see sugar is turning into liquid, so you bring forth more water. Alright, so watch the process as I go, but you have to keep turning and turning. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna tip a little bit of water in it, guys, just a little. Just a little. And then it comes. That's it. Just a little. Just stay there. You can see it's getting dark now. Stay there and boil. Need some more boiling down. Okay. You see guys? It's coming to an odd now. Alright? Normally guys, back home we use banana leaf to put our drops on, but over here we don't have banana leaves. Alright, I guess they have banana leaves, but in the store, oh, I don't have it today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a file paper and to put my drops on it. Alright, so my table is all spread. Oh, this one is finished. Alright, let me get a different one. So I'm going to use my file paper to make my drops, and as I say, you can see. Alright, so I'm going to put my drops. It's almost ready. So watch the process. You can see it now guys. I'm going to take it off. Alright. So I'm going to turn off this fire. So it's all ready now. You can see. But you have to take it out very fast, very quick like this. You can see. You put it here. It's not a lot. Put it here. And like this. Like this, just pour. You can see. And if it's drying out while you're making it, you put some water in it and put it back on the fire. Alright? And if you want to put more sugar on it, and if you find out, if you realize that it's, watch it guys, watch it, as subscribers, if you realize that it's not clinging together, you can put it in the pot and put a little bit more water in it to make it more moist, because sometimes by the time you should take it out of the pot, all the sugar dried up. So what you should do, if this is not clinging together like this, put some more water on it. Alright, so this is my finished drops, and this is for all my subscribers. If you don't love sugar, don't come. Alright, so this is for my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you very much for watching me making my drops. So this is my coconut drops. Alright, love you guys, and you take care of yourself. Next time I'm going to show you how I make other goodies. Alright, thank you for watching. As I say, coconut drops, and you use your sugar, your ginger. That's all. That's what I put in mine, sugar and ginger. Alright, so you take care of yourself, and love you, and be good. And as I say, we usually use it back home with coconut with banana leaves, but we don't have any banana leaves, so I just use this as a substitute. Okay, so you can try that all, but these are especially for the kids, not for the kids. Alright, so you take care and be good to yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for making a comment. Thank you. You're a blessing in my life. You take care, and love you guys. Alright, bye bye.